What's up, you guys? This is Ngan. Today I'm gonna show you how to pimp your ramen. Alright, I'm making a quick video during quarantine, so here we go. Got our water boiling, or trying to. Then we got some sort of protein. I am using these delicious pot stickers. You could use tofu, you could use whatever you like, spam, ham, whatever. Protein. Then you got your ramen packet. I got here some basil, some green onions, corn, broccoli, spinach. Use whatever veggies and protein you like. Okay? Alright, our water is boiling. So first things first, I'm gonna put in the dumplings. Put the thing that takes the longest amount to cook in first. 3 should do it. Got my broccoli washing here. I don't care if you're buying organic or regular, you gotta wash your broccoli. Wash your vegetables, okay? Because there's all sorts of stuff they put into growing it. Make sure these bad boys don't stick here. I think 2 is enough. 3. What am I talking about? Okay. Great. Beautiful. So we're gonna let it boil for a few minutes. And you know what I really like to add? A whole egg. I don't have any eggs right now. I used it all. So if I had an egg, I'd put an egg in there right at the end. Delicious. Now what I'm doing is scooping out the broccoli because I need to make room in this pot for my noodles. So good. Alright, now I'm gonna add my noodles. Okay. Get it in there. Alright, and up to you if you want to add these little crumblies. When I was little, I used to love munching on those. Who else ate dry noodles as a snack when they were a kid? I know I did. Alright, that's gonna be dank. Oh, I have some chili oil. I'm gonna get some chili. You guys, something amazing happened when I went to go look for my chili oil, which I did find. This was from leftover Thai food. I found some tom yum chili paste. Yes. I love tom yum. That's too much. There's lemongrass in here, chili, garlic, lots and lots of flavor. Okay, look, once your noodles boil, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat because nobody likes overcooked ramen. I'm gonna stir it up. Alright. And I like my ramen on the al dente side. It is. Alright guys, I just poured it into my bowl. It smells so good. I'm gonna sprinkle over my basil, my green onions, and a little bit of chili oil. Okay, you can make it however spicy or not spicy you'd like, but your girl has a weird fetish with chili where I even have it tattooed on me. Okay, so I really love spicy. I'm gonna use a soup spoon. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Time to eat. Here we go. Ramen. Let's see. I don't know if you guys actually like watching people eat. I don't know. When it comes to that part of a YouTube video, I always like, You know that one guy, he goes, you know who I'm talking about. Yeah, he's funny. I'm a little bit more coy, you know? This whole mukbang thing, it's not really my thing. It's weird. You guys like watching people eat. It's weird. But I'm gonna give you what you want anyway. Okay, here we go. It's hot. It smells good. It smells like tom yum. I made myself Thai ramen, dude. This bowl, it's like Japan and China and Thailand and a little bit of America too, with the broccoli and the corn. It's like all these worlds had a baby. It's really good. You got the sweetness from the corn. You got the nutritious value of broccoli in there. And of course, you got the juicy gyoza. I love it. It's hot. Alright, you guys. I love you all. I know you want to see me eat all of this, but that's a little weird. So I am going to continue eating all of this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos over here. Okay, and have a good day.